I've tried quite a few slings recently. Small ones, larger ones, flight slings, but every now and then you pick one up and it just feels right. This is the Firo Sitter Sling, and after carrying it for the last few weeks, I think this might be one of the most thoughtfully designed small slings that I've used. Let's get into it. Hey everyone, I'm Jim Bob and welcome to Jim Bob's EDC, where I share everyday carry setups, gear reviews, pocket dumps and more. If you are into EDC knives, multi-tools, flashlights, bags, kits and pouches, or just like seeing what people actually carry, you are in the right place. Because what you carry carries you. Now, a quick transparency note. Firo kindly sent this Sitter Sling over to the channel. There was no payment and not even an obligation to make a video. But after using it, it definitely deserved one. Now, if you follow the bag world at all, you might recognise the name behind Firo. The brand was started by Aaron from the YouTube channel Nomads Nation, someone who has spent years reviewing bags and talking to the carry community. And when someone spends years analysing bags, they start noticing all the little frustrations. The wasted space, the uncomfortable straps, the unnecessary dangle. So when someone like that decides to design a bag, you would hope it might solve some of those problems. And after using it, the Sitter Sling really does feel like a product built by someone who has spent a lot of time thinking about bags and everyday carry. The Sitter is Firo's first sling, a compact everyday sling designed for the essentials. Think phone, wallet, keys, earbuds, small torch, maybe a multi-tool. There is a smaller version at around 1 litre designed for very minimal daily carry, but this is the 3 litre version. This gives you a bit more flexibility than basic pocket relieving while still being small enough to remain a true grab and go EDC sling, or even a travel sling. Before you even get into the sling, there was a small detail that stood out to me. There's a QR code on the tag that links to video guides on how to get the most out of your sling. A small thing, but a really thoughtful addition. It tells me Firo genuinely want people to understand how to use the Sitter properly and to get the best out of it. So a quick spec check. This 3 litre version measures 7 by 11 by 3 inches with an adjustable crossbody strap ranging from 27 to 52 inches. The first thing you notice when you pick this up is the build quality. The 330D Codra nylon feels rugged and durable while still being lightweight, weather and tear resistant. And inside is this gorgeous 100D honeycomb ripstop lining. I really like bright interiors in bags and slings, not just for the visual appeal, but because it genuinely helps items to stand out when you open the bag. There's also a Neo Lycra tech sleeve which feels really silky and scratch resistant, and there's a premium microfiber pocket for delicate items. And YKK zippers, obviously. The stitching is clean, the hardware feels solid, and the whole bag just feels really well put together. Nothing rattles, nothing feels flimsy, and the zips have that nice smooth action that bag nerds always appreciate. Branding is also very minimal and discreet. But it is organisation where the Sitter really starts to make sense. There's a front quick access pocket complete with a key leash. There's also a cable pass-through so you could charge a device while keeping a power bank inside the bag. The hidden rear pocket is zippered and deep enough to hold something like a passport safely against your body. Despite the relatively small size, the Sitter actually feels much bigger when you open it because it opens nice and wide. The star of the show being this super wide opening main compartment. plenty of space to relieve your pockets. There's even space for a small tablet. The text sleeve measures 6 by 8 inches, which should comfortably hold an iPad mini. There's also a slot designed for an AirTag or similar tracker. Again, thoughtful design. A couple of pockets and a zippered internal pocket with a soft lining is great for things like sunglasses. Comfort is another area Firo clearly thought about. The strap is nicely adjustable and the bag sits flat against the body. I've been wearing it as a pocket relieving everyday carry sling, walking around town, running around errands, in and out of the car, heading to the pub I co-own, the Big Six Inn in Halifax, which is featured on my other channel, Wando James Pubs, Pints and Places. And it's just one of those bags you stop noticing after a while, which honestly is exactly what you want. For me, this has been a great sling for a light EDC setup. I generally carry my phone in my pocket, but the sitter will take my daily EDC pouch, my keys, earbuds, a flashlight, a multi-tool, a power bank, and some small first aid and hygiene items. And there's still space for my Osmo Pocket 3 on filming days, with room to spare. And that's really the sweet spot for this sling. It's not trying to carry your whole life. If I think I'm going to need more capacity, I'll reach for a larger sling or even a backpack. This one is just here to carry the essentials, and it does that really well. I think the Sitter Sling will appeal to 3 types of people. First, minimal EDC fans. If you want to take the pressure off your pockets, this works brilliantly. Second, travellers. This would make a fantastic airport or city exploring sling, and I'm looking forward to testing it properly on a few trips this summer, domestically and overseas. It will pair perfectly with my Levo backpack for bag and sling 1.5 bag travel. And third, EDC and bag fans like us who simply enjoy a well-designed, stylish piece of gear, because this really does feel like a well thought out product. So overall, I'm really impressed with the Firo Sitter Sling. It's compact, it's well built, it's comfortable, and it is thoughtfully designed. Huge thanks again to Firo for sending the Sitter over to the channel. I genuinely appreciate it. I will leave links to the sling in the description down below. But over to you. Are you a Sitter user? Or what's your sling of choice and why? Do let me know down in the comments. I read every single one. If you enjoyed the video, a like would really help the channel. And if you enjoy EDC gear, loadouts, pocket dumps and everyday carry philosophy, why not subscribe? New videos every week. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. And remember, what you carry carries you.